Hello, we need to make some infection effect. Okay, let's do it. We create Tyflow object. My children is crashing my house, sorry. First birth, make start and end and zero frame, make really big number of particles, position object, pick our plane to spread particles over it, hide plane, and we see distorted particles. Now we have to organize it to beauty pattern. Use rasterize operator and it organize a nice pattern with stepped particles. Use these values for each axis. You can change it and see that particles are beautifully organized in square pattern. Now we need to make infection effect. Okay, split this particle. I want to separate few particles from this pattern to next event. Send it to another event and we can see those separated particles here. 6 particles. And now we need to organize infection from those particles over all our pattern. Okay, let's do it. I need to make those 6 particles, move this particle to particle group 1. And now I will check those particles with these particles and make an infection. It's property test. Neighbor. Property test. Neighbor greater than 0 particle. And we need to point searcher to search with particle group 1. Now we have to set radius for searching. We can look here. We have stepped particles with step 1 centimeter, and I will set here 2. Now we will send founded particle to next event. Display. Send it here. Copy particle group. And all founded particles move here and they have set to particle group 1. Now we can look what we got. It's pretty good, but not the infection. How we can do infection? We can set some properties in property test. Here we have noise. Set strange 0.1 and scale 0.01. We already have something. Let's play with settings. to make some random play with settings. And what we got some infection. Not really suit me. Maybe something like this. And that's all. That is all. The basic principle of making infection. Play with settings and you will get results.